Registering for an account. If you are new to the NFHS Learning Center, the first thing you should do is register for an account. Registering is quick and easy and immediately gives you access to many online courses and educational materials. To make an account, click the Register button in the top right corner. On the following pages, you'll be asked for a unique username and password. This login information will give you access to both the NFHS Learning Center and NFHS.org. Once your profile information is entered, click the red Agree and Register button at the bottom of the screen. You will also be asked for your certificate name, which is the name that will appear on your course completion certificate. This could be your name or the name of the person who will be completing the course within the account. After typing in your name, check the box below that acknowledges that name changes cannot be made within the account once a course has been completed. You will also confirm what your primary position is at your school or organization, in addition to the state that you'll be completing courses in. Once you register for an account, you can either use your username or email address to log back in for future access. If you ever forget your login information, click Forgot Your Password on the sign-in page. You will enter your email address on the following page to reset your password and click the red Send Link button. You can also contact the NFHS Help Desk at help@nfhslearn.com or 317-565-2023 for assistance.